Share with me what you love about the library, or specifically the Ohio County Public Library. Now, I read 181 books last year, and one of the things I love about the library is they have a table set up that focuses on something for a month. Now, they get me out of my comfort zone. I typically read crime, mystery, murder, mayhem. You got any of that, I'm in. I'm currently on the Nordic people, and wow, my brother was just in Norway and he said I'd murder someone if I lived here in the winter. But this I just finished, which, ladies, you have got to read this. When Women Were Dragons. It is a fantasy book. Now, this is something I typically wouldn't read, but the library's gotten me to read poetry. They've gotten me to read some memoir, some history. Every time I come into the library, and it's about twice a month, I pick up something from the table. So this was on the table about dragons. So this would be in the fantasy category, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, what I love about it is the library people make recommendations. So they have this table, and if you're not sure, maybe something on the table doesn't appeal to you, but just go up and say, hey, what is it you recommend? And they've also started doing something really cool where they do little write-ups and say why they love the book. So come on down to the library and check out all the groovy stuff that's going on. And if you haven't already, please like our page, Friends of the Ohio County Public Library. We're a new group that started, and we would love to have you.